Becoming a good programmer is all about working smarter. While mastering different programming tools is important, it's also critical to get more things done in less time. Time is money after all. So how do you increase your productivity as a programmer? Find out in this video. If you're a programmer, you're probably spending most of your day in front of a computer screen. I think software development is just like an art. So we're happy to sit for hours just working on complex problems just to get that perfect balance that an artist strives for. However, it doesn't sound all that efficient, does it? As a programmer, you also need to balance your social life and maintain a presence among your friends and family too. After all, what's the use of earning big money if you can't find the time to spend them and enjoy it? As a programmer and a developer, I believe we must streamline the process involved with development. That way we can save time and improve our productivity and efficiency as a programmer. In short, we must try to get more done in a short time. But how? First, let's talk about why productivity tools are important. As programmers, we tend to slack, especially when we're working from home. The same goes for freelance programmers who don't have a manager or tech lead checking in. So productivity tools can help you achieve more in the same time duration by taking care of some time-consuming bits while developing programs. This is especially important if you pass your preliminary stages as a programmer in your career. You may feel the need to speed up your programming activities. Thankfully, there are some amazing tools to enhance your productivity as a programmer. Generally, these tools are available in the form of mobile applications and desktop software. So to make the job easier, I'll talk about 7 great tools to improve your productivity as a programmer. By using these simple tools, you can speed up your programming, maintain better focus on your code, maintain steady progress, and meet project deadlines. The first tool we'll talk about is Flux. When you sit in front of the screen for hours, there's an obvious need for you taking a break to relieve your eyes. Most of us take a casual stroll in the house. However, this always isn't the case or possible in a corporate environment where you have a desk job. Flux provides much needed relief to your eyes by adjusting the color of your computer screen light. Depending on the time of day, you'll see different screen colors to prevent eye strain. The computer screen has an afternoon light effect, so it can be taxing for the eyes during the night and morning hours. Ultimately, continuously working without light control can lead to disturbed sleep cycles and can affect your performance. Thankfully, Flux is a simple application that works with all operating systems like Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux. It's a must-try app if you work for longer durations, especially late at night. Next, let's talk about IntelliJ Idea and other premium IDEs. IntelliJ Idea is highly recommended for Java-based software developers. It provides integrated development environment based on Java and developed by JetBrains. IntelliJ Idea provides an intelligent working environment for developers to enhance their productivity. It has features like coding assistance supported by ergonomic design, making the user experience more enjoyable. If you're working with Kotlin, Scala, Groovy, Java, or any JVM language, IntelliJ Idea can provide context-aware environment to speed up your coding process. It also features IntelliJ Idea Ultimate, where you can develop full-stack web apps thanks to powerful support for JavaScript and other similar technologies. Moreover, you can add more plugins to the intelligent code completion features, finishing your programming statements for you, making your job slightly easier for the developer. There are other premium IDEs and developer plugins that make coding easy and more efficient. Next, let's talk about Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a code editor tool that supports a variety of programming languages. It provides native support for markup languages too. Also, users can add multiple plugins and make use of a free tool for academic and commercial applications. Sublime Text takes your code editing with a breeze, with powerful Python API. There are more syntax highlighting tools, auto indentations, macros, sidebars, and file type recognition tools, allowing you to write code more efficiently. With time-saving tools, it helps better GPU rendering, and there are multiple selection tabs, auto-completion tools, and also supports Apple Silicon processors with its updated Python API. Next, let's talk about GitHub Codepilot. GitHub Codepilot takes your productivity to the next level thanks to its AI-powered tools. It's developed by GitHub and OpenAI to provide easier way to complete code. Primarily, GitHub Copilot features autocomplete tools intended for Visual Studio Code developers. It provides both machine-based and cloud-based solutions by using GitHub Codespaces. The best thing about this tool is that it supports a variety of languages like Ruby, TypeScript, Python, JavaScript, and Go. It features alternative suggestions, manual code edits, and it's a highly adaptive tool to go along with your coding style. So if you're a developer that uses Visual Studio Code for any type of coding or development work, GitHub Copilot can be a great tool to integrate with your development environment. Next up, we have Timely. If you want to keep track of your time, then Timely is a great desktop application to work with. Timely allows you to manage your daily tracking with high precision. It tells you how much time you spend on documentation, websites, meetings, emails, and video calls. It's a great tool to understand where you consume your time and how you can improve it. More importantly, Timely ensures complete privacy so no one else can know what you've been up to. Whether you work in an office or you work from home as a freelancer, Timely can help you anywhere, logging your time and managing your timesheets more efficiently. In a way, you can capture each second of your working hours. It provides intuitive reporting and analytical tools, making it easier to convey your working hours to clients and managers. Some of the notable features with Timely include team management tools, auto time tracking, seamless integrations, and project tracking. Therefore, it can be an efficient tool for both individuals and project teams alike. Next, let's talk about Cold Turkey. Cold Turkey is a great tool not just for developers, but any industry worker. The idea behind the app is pretty simple. Most of us use a computer at our job, which means we have access to the internet, which inevitably means the use of social media. Not many of us can resist the time vortex apps like Facebook, YouTube, and music apps, and also some others. So when you start working on something, you get hit by one of these distractions, you won't even realize and half your hour is gone. Cold Turkey can help improve your productivity by blocking unwanted applications, websites, and the computer itself. It lets you customize schedules and specific blockage times during the day. In a way, you can isolate yourself from time-draining apps and websites, allowing you to give more time to your work and getting more done in such time. Next, we have Cloud App. As a developer, you need to stay in touch with your clients, your manager, and teams to communicate and update on changes. Believe it or not, communicating these details takes a lot of time from your daily schedule, and it's a definite hurdle to your productivity. Thanks to Cloud App, you can communicate project status and updates through visual cues. It's a simplistic design but provides a powerful application. As a result, it helps your team collaborate and improve coding and debugging speed. With Cloud App, you can share code screenshots with annotations, screen recordings, and GIFs. Cloud App works with iOS, macOS, Android, and Windows, so pretty much is a universal solution for desktop programmers. Moreover, Cloud App integrates with other tools like Jira, making it easier for you to manage and complete your daily tasks without constant communication over phone or email. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a productive 2022.